If you need an injection molded part about this size and you need to go from purchase order to first article in as little as 10 days.
Let's say I'm you. I just need 100 parts to test form, fit, and function, so my only option is 3D printing, right? I mean, there's no high mold costs or long wait times with 3D printing. I'm often asked, what's the cost of an injection mold? It could be anywhere between $5,000 to $50,000. That's bad news if you need a short run and have a simple part, but not at Ash. At Ash, we have the Supermold program.
We created a flat rate program in order for you to get the tooling you need and the parts in low volumes to begin with. Afterward, you can go directly into production. It's called the Supermold.
So normally a customer comes in and says, hey, before I get started on high volume, I need to test this part first, but I don't want to spend $50,000, $60,000 on that high volume mold. So what we can do is get you into our Supermold program and get you started on that one cavity.
You see, the Supermold is applicable to any situation where you have an open and shut mold. The part fits within a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder.
When you do 3D printing, you're worried about the resolution of the print, the materials you have available, and the overall functionality of the end product. With injection molding using the Ash Supermold, you have solid production quality parts right off the bat. Any material you need.
Here's the secret. What if I told you that the mold you need is already mostly built? All you're worried about is what fits in the cavity.
These are real injection molded parts with real tooling. P20 steel or better.
That is an all-inclusive program that includes a lifetime warranty on your tool.
A part that has a basic open and closed features and fits within a 2-inch radius by 2-inch tall cylinder, then we can have a basic price for you, $4,900. We can get that finished and parts to you in 10 days.
1,000 parts and the material you want, not some 3D printed material, all for the low price of $4,900.
Our process doesn't care what your part does. Aerospace, medical, consumer, retail, just doesn't matter. All that matters is that it fits in a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. The Supermold is one stop, one price. You know exactly what you're getting. Before you start, you're getting a mold, lifetime guarantee, 1,000 parts, the capability to make more parts, and real injection molded parts that fit your application right now. Are there other quick turn programs? Sure, but there are limitations, and the limitations can be severe. You see, it may be that, we need to CNC cut your profile, or maybe they're gonna say, hey, you have to use our ABS, or you must use our nylon. The Supermold doesn't have any of those limitations. You see, in the Supermold program, the idea is to give you your geometry in your material. Medical grade, permanently implantable, something to go outside in the sun, it doesn't matter. You see, you get to pick the thermoplastic. You're gonna buy some plastic pellets, we're gonna make some parts. Whether it be this part, or whether it be this part, or whether it be this part, they all have something in common. They're all part of the Supermold program. They fit in a 2x2 cylinder in an open and shut mold. We have packaged this product and the Supermold is waiting for you. Send the geometry, send us a purchase order, we'll get started today. Supermold, simplifying your entry into manufacturing.